Let's make a better version of this, one that's actually going to make your hair grow. And if your hair is growing from this, the one that I'm going to make is going to make your hair grow even faster and healthier. We're going to need amla powder. This is excellent for hair growth. This I got from an Indian grocer, but you can get it at Faithful to Nature, and you can also get it at Take A Lot. When you look on Take A Lot, please make sure that the ingredient list for the amla is 100% amla powder. That's it. There mustn't be anything else. And then we're going to infuse it with extra virgin olive oil. Make sure it's extra virgin olive oil and not a blended version, because they do sometimes have like a blended olive oil thing, and then you think it's olive oil but then it's blended. So check the ingredient list again at the back and make sure that it only has 100% extra virgin olive oil in it. The reason why I'm so adamant about getting the extra virgin olive oil is because the blended ones, the seed oils that's added to the olive oil, is not good for you. Seed oils was made for machinery, was never meant for human consumption. How that came about is a story for another day. If you have these two, you can make your oil from this. You don't need all the other stuff that I'm going to add, but I'm extra and I want everyone to have, you know, like long, thick, strong hair, you know, and edges. And then we're going to use coconut oil, optional, but this is again organic cold pressed virgin coconut oil. Again, you want the best of the best because it goes to your scalp, but if you don't have this, you don't need this. This I got at discount. I'm gonna add brahmi powder as well. What brahmi does, brahmi will give you thick roots. So if your roots come out thick, then your hair is strong. You know, it comes out strong, which means as it grows, it will be strong and it won't be prone to breakage. I'm gonna add horsetail again because of its silica properties. It's good for your hair and it also helps with hair growth. I'm going to add cloves. If you've got any scalp issues, this is good because it's got antimicrobial and antifungal properties. And this is hella cheap. Cloves you can find anywhere. I'm also gonna add fenugreek. Fenugreek is also good for hair growth. I like the smell. A lot of people don't like the smell of it. It's got like a spicy smell to it. If you don't like it, don't add it. Let me show you how I make it. This is a lazy way of doing this, but it's also an ancient way of doing it. We're gonna add 2 tablespoons of amla powder and then 1 teaspoon of the rest of the ingredients. I'm gonna add 2 cups of olive oil and half a cup of coconut oil to my mixture. Allow it to infuse on a low heat for about 8 to 10 hours. The oil infused into the herbs about 10 hours on low heat. It smells so nutty, almost licorice. I'm gonna allow this to cool. This is what it looks like, and just transfer everything into a glass jar for storage. I'm going to use a cup and I'm going to use this sieve because I don't have a muslin cloth, but if you have a muslin cloth, you can use that. Okay. So that's how you make amla oil. I'm just going to show you quickly how I apply it. So I'm just going to apply it to my scalp. Like I would normally do with my other oils. And then I'm just going to rub it in to my scalp gently. And once I feel like it's all rubbed in, I can massage. So this you can use every other night or whenever you do your, whenever you moisturize your hair, or as often as you like. Obviously you don't want your scalp to become greasy, so that's why I'm saying every other night. But this seems to absorb very well into the skin. See, it doesn't even look like I've got oil on. It's not greasy. It doesn't feel as thick. So let me show you. This is how it goes on. It's quite runny. But yeah, that's how you make and use amla oil from scratch. Okay, bye.